Hi everybody, welcome back to DVD Travels. My name is Kim. I'm going to take you on a stateroom tour. Right now I am on Odysseys of the Sea, which is a quantum class ship. So it's a large ship with a 270, but I'm going to show you what our balcony looks like and the stateroom. Come along with me, I can't wait to show you. So 7522. In this stateroom, you have a king-size bed, as you can see right here, or it could be two twins. When you open up on the side, there's plenty of storage. You have your suitcases in the bottom and hanging space on top and in the middle. So we have a lamp on the side with a plug for a CPAP machine and a phone. And down here we have two shelves. We also have storage up above on both sides. So on this side of the bed, here's the storage up above. Very nice. Another lamp. And here is a shelf. Two shelves underneath the little table. Okay, in this closet, we have hanging space, 4 shelves, and the safe. And then what's nice on this side is there's 2 drawers, soft clothes, awesome, that you can put some of your clothes in. And then as we move down, we have some art and a nice couch. And then we have our lamp with our dresser. So there's 4 drawers. Soft clothes. This one's a little bit deeper, which is great. Same size there. Another deep one. Hair dryer. And then under here is where we have our refrigerator. And then here's our desk area where we have 2 US outlets. And then we have lights and a chair. And this is a balcony room. So it's a little noisy, but we have 2 chairs with the ottomans and a little table. Cute little balcony. And then we have a mirror. And as we move down, we have the TV. And then we're going to head over to the bathroom. In this bathroom, we have a nice large shower, a toilet. We have 3 shelves over here on the side, and there's a countertop with a sink. And then underneath there's some storage. There's a toilet paper, trash can, and an extra towel. There is a small step up to get into that bathroom, but it is a larger shower, which is really nice. So this is on deck 7. We are forward on the starboard side of the ship. It's a nice room. I like that it has the plug on the side so you can do your CPAP machines. And I like the additional storage up on top. So it's got a lot of space, not too much crowding.
Thank you for watching my video. If you could please subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. See you in the next video. Thank you.